Question number 7. Find out the stationery consumed during the year. You have been given purchases as 4,700. Then you have a stock, opening stock and closing stock, and creditors, opening creditors and your closing creditors. So one small formula for goods consumed during the year is purchase add opening less your closing will give you value of goods consumed. So this formula needs to be remembered. Purchase at opening less closing, because from the purchase I will first add up the opening balance. Now whatever is the remaining needs to be subtracted. That will give my goods consumed to me. So let's start. Purchase here is equal to 4,700. Now stock at the opening, so add opening, that comes to 800, less closing, so less closing, less 600. So the amount now is 4,900. Now since stationery purchase during the year is given, purchase is given, in the question, so creditors are already adjusted in it. So creditors, that will be a note. So creditors already adjusted in it. So value of your goods consumed or your stationery consumed is 4,900. Now let's move on to the 8th question.